용이잼.
Hi again, it's Yongitsem here, and just now I just finished filming the consonants part of the pronunciation, so I'll go over now the vowel side of things. We have several different vowels, but I'll just talk about the simple ones first, and then I'll go over the little bit complicated ones last, okay? So first of all, when we're talking about vowels, and again, when we're reciting vowels, we're using the consonant O or the silent one because it's much simpler to pronounce the vowels in that way, okay? Because it's silent. All right, so for the first one, we have A, which is simply A. And then if you just add a 짝대기, a sky on that, a stroke, it becomes ya. Okay? Ya. 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 Okay? And then we have O, which is E-O. If you add another 짝대기, a stroke, it becomes ya, 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 ya. Okay? And the next one will be O. Come on, not an eraser. O. Just simply O. If you add 짝대기, it becomes yo. Okay. And next one will be U. Or in English, I guess U, but you can put W in front of that to make it U. It sounds like U, not you. Okay. Next one, though, if you put 짝대기 or if you put another stroke on that, becomes you. You. Okay. And then next one, This one will probably be the hard one to pronounce. For foreigners. Okay. And next one is E. E is easier to sound when you put a Y on in front of that. E instead of just I. It's not I, it's E. E. Okay? All right, let's now talk about the slightly more complicated or more complex, the vowels, starting with A. So there, in these complex vowels, there are two that sound, most of the times there are two that sound exactly the same but written differently. And that just adds the complexity to Korean, unfortunately. So E and E sounds similar. Well, pretty much the same. E being A, E, and this E being E. Kind of like AEIOU, E. And, okay. And if you add another stroke to these, it becomes Ye. And if you add another stroke to this one, it becomes Ye. Again, these pretty much exactly sound the same. And the way to remember how to spell them in English symbols or English alphabets is just to remember that if you have this horizontal stroke on the right side of the vertical stroke, then you always have an A in it. If you have that horizontal stroke on the left side, then you do not have A in it. Okay, so that's a simple way to remember how they pronounce or how they are pronounced, but they don't really help you to distinguish between the two in terms of when to write this ye. When to write this ye. Not, I don't want an eraser. When to write this ye or when to write this ye. Unfortunately, that just comes down to, again, repetition and recognizing what to use in each. Typically, this is used more, like if you're talking about 누구에게, if you're talking in conversational forms, the YE or E versions are used more widely than the YAE versions. Those are typically less used forms of E. So if in doubt, you can try to use the bottom one, and you're likely gonna get it right. Okay, and then moving on to the next set. Okay, let's talk about the next 3 vowels that sound the same but are written different. And they are we, and we. In order to distinguish them in terms of the English written alphabet is by looking at where that horizontal line is with respect to that vertical line. So if that horizontal line is on the right side of this vertical line, or that first vertical line that you see on that vowel, there is an A in it. Whereas where you have the horizontal line here, that is on the left side of that vertical line, there is no A. And you might ask, why isn't this we? Why is it we? That E in Korean vowels, E sounds like A. And you can remember that with the vowel pronunciation in English, AEIOU. So that E, the alphabet E, sounds like A, not E. To write E, you would either write Y or WI or YI. And in order to distinguish that from this we pronounce it as A. Okay? And last but not least, when E is met together with an O, it sounds like A. And you might ask, why is it not OI? Because if you were to straight write this from the list of simple vowels on the right side, it would be OI. Why is it not oi, not A? Because we're not Australian. We don't say oi because oi, if you write it or try to pronounce it, it becomes 2 letters. Oi, which is cucumber. And we need to distinguish that. And in order to distinguish that, we put an E. So whenever you have O met with E, it becomes E. So we. And if you try to pronounce O and E, we, you can say, and you can make that into one vowel, we. Whereas if you try to say this quickly, oi, in Korean, it always sounds like 2 letters. So we sounds like 1 vowel. Okay, wa. Let's talk about wa. This one doesn't have any other ones that sound similar, sound the same, so it should be easier to describe wa. W-A. And that W, these W's are there because it's to make it sound easier. Because the O is silent in the front, you got to put something in front that sounds like O. And when it's hard to pronounce OA, so you put W in front. Wa. Okay. So this sounds like wa. Okay. And then you have wa. Wa is a combination of u and a. If you say it really fast, wa, it becomes wa, 1 vowel. Okay. Wa. And that is W, O, wa, kind of like the Chinese wa, which is I, except you don't have that accent. Wa. Okay, and you have I don't think I've missed any here in the list. And then you have we. We talked about we. We. And this is written W-I. We. Kind of like we are it. We are it. Okay? We. Again, that's if you were to separate this into we and I. We. Why is it written W-I? Because the next one that comes up sounds like is written with UI. And we has that oo sound, so it becomes a W, or has that W inside. Whenever the O consonant is met with this vowel oo, there you can presume that there will be a W in front, or even O. You can so any if the O consonants meet with O or the U vowels, you can write or pronounce it as W in front. Okay? So we. And last but not least, finally we have ui. Ui. This is probably going to be hard to pronounce. Ui. And this is written as U-I. Why? Because if you were to write it, it's E-U-I. But if you have E in front with nothing, it sounds like A. So you get rid of that E, you just write E-U-I, U-I, Ui. If you were to separate this into two, it would be U and E. But if you were to say it fast, it becomes one vowel. Again, last time we talked about oi, but you can't say that fast and make it into one vowel. Oi. It always sounds like two letters in Korean. Okay? So it's not oi. We're not Australians. Ui. Okay? So I will cut it here. This lecture was long enough, I think. So we'll try to see if I can shorten it down on my editing. Okay? Or during my editing. And I will see you later.